Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with an amazing look again. This is the Eid look which I have created. Please do check this whole video out for this amazing look, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook page. Here comes the primer. This is from Urban Color. We are just going to take a bit and then apply it all over our face really well. Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand. We are going to apply it under our eyes, on the forehead, and as well as on the bridge of the nose. Here comes the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 115. We are going to apply it all over our face and even the neck area. And here comes the Blue Heaven translucent powder. We are going to put it on our face really well because this is going to give you the matte look which you want. And this is the Maybelline New York V-face Duo Stick. This has a contour as well as a highlighter. We are going to use the contour part and create a 3 on our face and then smudge it really well. Now let's start with our eyebrows. We are going to first use the brow brush. We are going to just comb our brows a bit. Now by using the Beauty Color palette, we are going to fill in our eyebrows. Here comes the Jaqlin Hill eye palette. We are going to use the shade brown. We have to just put it on our crease as well as the above crease. We are going to mix the blue and the green shade and then apply it on the eyelids. Now we are going to use the golden shimmer shade for our inner corners as well as the brow bone. Now I'm just applying a little bit of white kajal to my eyes. Now I'm applying the Lakme Absolute Mascara to finish my eye look. And here's the bronzing drops from H&M. I'm using this as my highlighter. I'm just using a bit of it. The matte lips, I'm applying it on my lips, and this is in coffee shade and this is completely matte. Now I'm applying the dark brown shade onto my lip line from Sugar. If you really like my look, then please don't forget to hit that like button, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.